Let's make marraquetas, the iconic Chilean bread roll with a crisp, crackly crust. Start by making the preferment. In a container, mix 25 grams of bread flour, 25 grams of whole wheat flour, 25 grams of warm water, and 50 grams of mature sourdough starter. Stir it together, cover, and let it rest for about 4 hours until it doubles in size and looks bubbly. You can also refrigerate it for up to 2 days if you're not ready to bake it right away. Next, onto the dough. Add 200 grams of your preferment to a mixing bowl with 295 grams of water and stir to dissolve. Add 155 grams of bread flour, 295 grams of all-purpose flour, and 55 grams of whole wheat flour. Mix until you get a shaggy dough. Then add 10 grams of salt and drizzle in the rest of the water slowly until it all comes together smooth. Transfer to a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and let it ferment at room temperature for 4 hours. Now for shaping. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces, about 130 grams each, and roll them into balls. Pair them up so you have 4 sets of 2. Cover and let them rest for 30 minutes. Then take a thin rod like the handle of a spatula and press a deep seam straight down in the middle of each pair. That's what gives marraquetas their classic look. Dust with wheat bran and let them proof at room temperature for 3 hours until almost doubled in size. Time to bake. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with a baking stone or steel inside. Flip the marraquetas seam side down onto parchment. Load them into the oven, spray with water, and add ice to a pan at the bottom to create steam. Lower the heat to 450 and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown and hollow sounding when tapped. And that's it. Fresh, warm marraquetas with a soft interior and a crunchy crust, perfect for sharing at the table.